up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jada. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe before y'all start this video. Please go back and watch the last two videos if you guys have not seen it. Me and Aaron, we are new to Florida. We are officially Floridians. So today we are running errands. I think we're gonna go furniture shopping. We're probably just gonna like explore the town a little bit. So stick along with us. Let's see where the day ends up taking us. First, I really do want to go look for a couch. We probably won't get one till probably like June. So we're just gonna go look, do some like window shopping, and then go from there. Okay, y'all, so it is actually the next day. We went to go look at couches, but I ended up getting distracted. I think we went to like one place and that was it. So it's the next day, and right now we're actually at City Walk to just like look around. We're really excited to get our annual passes for Disney, so that way we can just like go to the parks or whatever. But right now we're just heading to Universal just to like look around at City Walk. If you don't know what that is, that's kind of like their Disney Springs. Like, it's a bunch of like restaurants and just cool stuff to look at and walk around. I've always wanted to try these. We're in the Universal store right now. Yeah. Please.
Shut up, I don't even think shut up.
I want to try. I've never tried one before.
Yeah, Shut up, have one.
3 for $35. That's expensive.
That is expensive.
$14 each.
Insane.
But yeah, I've always wanted to try them. Like, I love like the candy section.
Love you cotton candy.
I know.
I don't know how you like cotton candy.
This one looked nasty though. Hey, y'all, last time we came here, my mom, she had got us all donuts and they were really good. So we about to go and see what new donuts do they have. Y'all, I really did want a milkshake, but they were like $20 for a milkshake, and it was $18. But after tax, it's $20 for one milkshake.
It's very good. I'm telling you, it's worth it.
Yeah, I don't think so. So we're still like walking around, so I don't know what else we're about to come up on. Let me just tell y'all. So is it focused? Yeah, it's focused. So we just ended off. I ended off at Voodoo Donuts with y'all, and we ended up getting them. This is like the big Texas donut. We have a strawberry jam one in here too, and then I have a maple bacon one in here as well. Y'all, I just had the most, let me turn this oven on. We just had the most irritating experience at Walmart, and Aaron had forgot that if you're in like a tourist area and try to go to Walmart, it's gonna be the worst time of your life, and that's exactly what it was for us. I wanted to go to the one near our house, but he was thinking like, let's just go to the one that's nearest to us at the moment so we don't have to stop, because the Walmart that's near our house is like far off. But y'all, everyone is so rude. You might think Florida is the South, but certain areas of Florida I would not consider it the South, because people in the South have manners, first and foremost. They know how to say excuse me, and you know what I mean? But that was so frustrating. But we ended up getting groceries. Aaron's gonna cook. Y'all, it's pretty late. I'm not even gonna lie. It's about 9:30. We've been eating dinner so late because we ended up going out so late in the day because it's so hot. But Aaron got groceries, so we're about to make some pasta really quick. And I ended up getting a watermelon from Walmart, which I'm really excited to cut. But we got stuff like to make sandwiches and like breakfast food and all that stuff like later in the week, so we're good on groceries. I'm gonna put this food on low, at least for like the sauce that I'm making, because I'm gonna be honest, I am good for burning stuff. So I'm gonna just make sure I do the sauce on low. Y'all already know, it don't matter how much spinach you put in there, it's gonna look like you ain't put not near a drop. I just realized it was naked. Oh, y'all, he's sitting here talking to me butt naked.
I'm not butt naked. It's good to know that you're with me in the passing of my season's change.
Homemade Alfredo with garlic bread. Pretty simple. All right, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. That pasta was busting. I'm gonna end off this video right here. The next video, you guys will see me saying goodbye to my mom. I'm gonna meet her tomorrow, so that'll be in the next vlog. Be sure to subscribe before y'all leave this video. Like this video as well to see more content from me. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.